All right, so as promised, I'm coming to you today from the South Bay Historical Railroad Society. This is at the Santa Clara Depot at 1005 Railroad Avenue. This is a historic depot that was built in 1863, and inside there's all kinds of cool stuff going on today. And the idea here is you can see what's going on and then come down if you're in the area. So let's go take a look. So when you drive up, this is what you'll see. This is the basically south side of the depot. They consider this actually the west side, but if you look on a map, you'll see that it's oriented more east and west than it is north and south. As you can see here, toward the right side, there is a parking lot. You can pull right in there and find a parking space. Oh look, here comes someone now. The entrance to the building is on the far left side of what you're looking at here. So when you get up here to the building itself, just go to the far end, that would be the left end, the picture that you were just looking at a second ago, and find this door. It's on the corner of the building, basically, on the south side of the building. You walk in here, it's $5 for anybody over 18, and anybody under 18 gets in for free. And we're going to go inside this door right now and show you the waiting room. So when you walk in, you'll be greeted by some people at this table here. You pay your $5, or if you're under 18, you pay nothing. And this is the old passenger waiting room. As you can see, there's a vintage bench in here. They have mannequins that show some of the uniforms that were worn by people on trains. There's also display cases in here with some china. Back in the day, the railroads used to take a lot of pride in the china that they served their food on. And then right over there is where they would sell you the ticket to get on the train. So once you enter the depot, at the entrance here, you can come down this hallway. It's really the only way you can go. And as you walk down the hallway, on the left, you'll see the library. Let's go take a look. So as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of books in this library. So I'm here now in the library with Vance. He's the head librarian for the SBHRS. Why don't you tell us, Vance, a little bit about the library, how the public accesses it, and what the benefits are of actually being a member?
We have basically 3,500 books here in our library that we've acquired both through purchasing and through donations. These books are on all the U.S. railroads, we starting back in the 1800s and coming up to date. We welcome people to come down and look at them. We're open on Tuesdays from 5 to 8 o'clock. The public is more than welcome to come in and look through our library. You can look through our books. Unfortunately, you cannot check books out unless you're a member. Members have that ability depending upon if you're going to check it out for 2 weeks or in some cases 4 weeks. We would like anyone to come and just look through what we have. We have books on just about all the railroads in the U.S., as well as some European railroads.
Sounds really great, Vance. Thanks for talking to us. So come down and check out the books. You can look at them right here. If you're not a member, you can check them out if you're a member, like he was saying. And the cool thing about this is that there are books here that your regular library won't have, because these are special interest books about trains and railroads. So that's it for part one. In part two, we'll take a look at the company store and the all-day lunch window. We'll see you then.